This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. The first step in setting up your payroll in QuickBooks Online is to add your employees. Let's go over how to do that, including pay rates, W-4 information, deductions, pay schedules, and how you'll pay your employees. Then we'll talk about what to do next, depending on whether you have already paid your employees this year or not. To start, go to Payroll. Then select Let's Go under Finish Your Team. Then select Add an Employee. This is where you'll add all your employees' information. You might see the fields in a slightly different order, depending on how you answered the setup questions, but otherwise, the process is the same. Fill out your employees' info. Check this box if you want them to be able to see their pay stubs or W-2s online. This will invite them to set up their QuickBooks Workforce account. Next, select a pay schedule. Tell us how often you pay this employee, when their next payday will be, and when the last day of the next pay period will be. The payday is the day the checks go out, but the pay period is the days you are paying your employee for. QuickBooks Payroll shows you the next 4 paydays and pay periods based on the information you entered, so you can check that everything is correct. You can name this schedule, and if you want to reuse it for other employees, just check this box. If everything looks good, select Done. Next, tell us how much you pay your employee. For this example, we'll select an hourly rate. We can also add additional pay types, such as overtime and sick or vacation pay. Just add them here and select Done when finished. If your employee has deductions or garnishments for things like healthcare, a 401k, or child support, add them by selecting Add Deductions. Then fill out the details and select OK. Next, you'll need to fill out the withholding information for your employee. You get this by having them fill out a W-4. Once you have a completed W-4 from your employee, select Enter W-4 form and fill in the information. If you need a blank W-4, you can download one. QuickBooks Payroll automatically fills out state tax withholding based on what you filled out for federal because it's usually the same, but you can make changes if you need to. Once everything looks good, select Done. Next, tell us how you plan to pay your employee. If you pay them by direct deposit, you can set that up here. You can choose direct deposit between 2 accounts, and direct deposit with the balance as a check. You'll just need a blank check from your employee to fill in some information. If you haven't connected your bank account to QuickBooks already, you'll do that later when you sign up to file and pay your payroll taxes. We'll select Paper Check for this employee. You can always come back and change this later if you want to. If you haven't paid your employees yet this year, then select Done. Follow the same steps to add your other employees before moving on to the next step. This video will show you what to do next. If you have already paid employees this year, you'll need to add info on what you've already paid each employee. This video will show you how to do that and what to do after.